Hey everyone, good morning. It's it's June 20th. We got some sun today at the beach. So the water doesn't look too flat. Looks like we got some wind conditions out there. So all right, we'll walk down together when we get down to the pier. All right, everyone. Okay, we're gonna start walking down to the beach, getting our gear, meeting up. Okay. Good morning. Oh. Okay, heading down. Oh, no GoPro boogie board, just GoPro. Might as well document my last year. It's hard to believe, huh?
My last year here.
Yeah.
To see ya.
Yeah.
Going for a jog, huh?
Yeah. So we're walking down. We got sun today, man.
It seemed like the wind was up early.
Yeah, but I saw the water temp. It went back down to 63. Did you look this morning?
I looked at the pier cam and said 64, but 1 degree makes a difference.
I know. Walking by Java, man. I don't see. I didn't hear about anybody else coming
I
down.
don't see anybody.
Yeah.
Bunch of slackers.
Jim likes the warm water too.
Don't think about it.
I know. I miss the warm pool. CPV back there. Yeah, it's a really nice day. Gosh, there's nobody down here. Well, maybe the holiday weekend? I don't know.
I have no idea. It looked like there was something happening on the beach. Sort of, on the south side.
Uh-huh.
Be paddling or something.
Yeah, I looked at the webcam this morning. The flag was half. And the water coming down. Did you go down Herondo or 190th?
No, I just went
Oh, PCH.
PH,
Yeah. Yeah, the water looked a little rough. Oh,
Little ripple, look at those flags.
I think we can make it.
Yep.
Heading. Oh yeah.
I'll wake you up pretty soon.
Yeah.
Look at that banner.
I know. We got the win. Good old lighthouse. We used to go down there in high school. I like to have 3 flags up there.
Yep.
Oh man, it's a little chill.
Wow. What the heck?
I know.
It's summer. Well, we'll see what happens.
I don't know. And the water's dark blue. I haven't seen any swimmers doing the for peer-to-peer training either.
Yeah, look at that.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, birdies. Oh, the boats. All right.
One.
Have fun.
Love you.
Love
Have a
you.
good run, honey.
Have fun down there.
I'll see you later.
See you later.
Wow. Different conditions today. I want my shoes to get hurt. Oh no, my
Look at
pants.
the dog over there.
Yeah.
It's amazing that he does it.
Gorgeous morning, but not good for swimming conditions. Look at the water, man. We're gonna
Brr.
get slapped and cold. Dad's buoy's in.
Yeah, it is.
It pushed in. Yeah.
Man, how
So,
did that happen?
guess the current's pushing.
Well, we don't have to swim as far.
No. I don't know, man. It looks nice sunny, but. Yeah, glad I didn't bring the cam boogie board out. I don't know what's going on over there.
It might be
Surf?
paddle.
Is it paddle?
I don't know.
Oh, look at all the canoes out. I bet Melody's out there
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah. And it's the time of year when they do the R10 buoy thing.
Right, right.
This is ridiculous.
Where's this grumpy old man? A bunch of buoys out there. Those are all swimmers, I guess. See a little.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I got enough crap to drag around.
I know, I don't want to drag nothing else.
I don't need buoys.
Oh, we might see these guys come through. All right. Donkin, got your keys back.
What's happening?
Hey, we're just dressing up here. Got Nick. I'm gonna get Nick. Hey Nick, say hi. Because I always miss you every weekend.
I know. You're always on different days.
I know, because, you know, we're on old man time.
Yeah, it was weird going on
You're on the
Sunday.
old man side.
Yeah. All right, we're suiting up, getting ready to go in. Okay, we're out of the water. We're making our way back up to the showers. The kids are out there with swim coach Sharon, pushing it. Probably gonna do 2 miles over there today. But we're taking it easy today. Look at this beautiful day. Life of a Saturday. Missing a fin. I lost one. That's the worst. Right when I came in, a wave caught me while I was taking it off. There. Let's watch us put the clamp on. This is how we cheat the system.
You'd be cheating it.
Alright, we're just finishing up. Start our walk up to Javaman. The other team's still in the water. There we go.
Showed up just to say hi. Tried to get Steve to come down, but he had other things to do this morning.
Oh, okay. Alright, we'll be walking up Javaman. Alright, we're walking up. Kind of quiet down here this morning, though.
What else is going on?
What else is going on?
Yeah, I was just thinking this is my last year. It's kind of weird, a little surreal. I just sent 4 or 5 more boxes to the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, that picture, I gave one to Steve, and Dave has one with us, that black and white.
Yeah.
It's too big for me to ship it. The one in my living room on the wall, if you want it or not.
Okay.
Then all 3 of you guys can have one. I'm gonna just have another one made over there. It's that cool one. You have the surfboard.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Tsunami's in it, but it got cut off with him.
Oh.
But Steve's in it. Jim.
Good down to bare minimum at your place. Huh?
I am. Last thing to go is jacuzzi. I got a lot of offers on it.
Oh, really?
But it's not working right now. I used it that last time, and like it's a fuse or something. I don't think it's anything major. But I'm like, that's it. Drained it. I don't want to deal with it no more.
Oh yeah.
But I think I just sold a couple other things. I've made about $600 just selling stuff off Marketplace.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody does tires coming today. 300.
Oh, really?
$300.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Does it got wheels on it too?
Yeah, it has
wheels and tires. Right?
Yeah, the rims, the Mustang plate. You know, it doesn't have the TMS. I think they took those out to put in the other tires.
Oh.
The pressure sensor, whatever.
Yep.
Hey, there she is.
Oh.
Hey, there you are. How you doing?
I'm sticking to
Yeah, I was like, yeah, you are.
She snuck up on us. We thought Jackie would know on the phone. Where is she?
Yeah, I don't have my phone. It's in the
Oh,
car.
that's right. That's right.
I didn't want to get both things stolen, my GoPro or my phone, so I decided to pick one.
Pick one or the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Well, with the lifeguard there now.
Yeah, it's not that big a
Not
deal.
so bad.
You know, knock on wood, we've never had an issue.
Yeah. Well, Doyle had
How's
to
your run?
cancel it once.
Okay, it's just it's hurting a little bit.
Oh,
That was a big thing.
it's hot today too for you.
It's hot. Oh, feels good.
How far did you go? The pier?
Yeah.
Okay. Tide's low too, right?
Really low.
Yeah.
We had to walk way out
We walked
there.
halfway out the pier.
Oh. You good, honey?
You got my daughter's dog.
Yeah. It's okay.
Take care of this thing.
That's good.
He's was just in a wedding. Gone like a month.
Wow. The dog?
Oh yeah.
You're used to having a dog, so it's like, okay.
When I stop running, when
Yeah.
I keep going,
Oh, yeah. Big puppy. Dog whisperer method.
Yeah. Always likes some love, that's for sure.
Ride your bike. It's under.
Yeah, you know what happens though? Is like gets in the wheels, they turn left or right. Then you're down.
No, you've already been down this week. You don't want to go down again.
Yeah, so yeah. But like they take over that strip of land and throw the ball and
Oh, there you go.
he does like maybe 20 sprints and then he starts
Panting.
I think I'll take a break now. He's still got energy. Just did 50 sprints.
All right, go drop off our stuff.
Not bad.
I'm gonna go drop my backpack off.
okay.
I'll wait for you guys.
Okay. And that's it.